Put 1x1 slide drawer on the board 3 and 4. Then, screw slide drawer by using CSKM 3.5x12mm and CSKM 3x12mm. Insert minifix into each hole on the board 3 and 4. Insert wood dowel into each hole on the board 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then, attach board 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on the board 3 and 4. Next, tighten all the minican. Attach board 24 as the back of the drawer. Tap the nail by using a hammer. Tap nail leg at the bottom of the drawer by using a hammer. Insert wood dowel into each hole on the board 25. Attach board 25 to board 5. Then, screw it by using CSKM 3.5x20mm. Insert glass shelf support into each hole. Next, put slowly glass at the top of drawer. Insert wood dowel into each hole on the board 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then, insert minican and wood dowel into each hole on the board 17. Insert minifix into each hole on the board 11. Then, attach to board 17 and tighten the minican. Attach board 12 and 13, then tighten the minican. Then attach board 14 and screw it by using CSKM 4x32mm. Next, screw tiny using CSKM 4x25mm into each hole. Screw slide drawer by using CSKM 3.5x12mm and CSKM 3x12mm. Insert wood dowel and minicam into each hole on the board 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Insert minifix into each hole on the board 18. Then attach board 19 and 20 and tighten the minicam. Insert board 22 and slide in board 23. Attach board 21 then screw it by using CSKM 4x 32mm. Screw slide drawer by using CSKM 3 and CSKM 3.5. Good, you have done assembly it by yourself.